Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. I recently just bought some new makeup and I really want to play around in it. And I also got some LOC jewelry, as y'all can see here and here. And I plan on adding a little bit more because I love it. Let's start with the makeup. So I went to Walmart the other day and I went all in. I got a lot of stuff. I even bought foundation. I'm not sure if it's my color completely because I did mess around in this makeup the other day, but I've only done it once. So we're gonna see if I know what to do with myself. So I already moisturized my face using the moisturizer that y'all see me use all the time. It's also always linked in my description box. I always have it linked down below my description so you can kind of see what my favorite products are. Those are always listed. I'm so excited. Let's go. This is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It says that it's for normal to oily skin. And this is in the shade Warm Coconut. And then along with that, I got the powder. This one is a little bit darker than the foundation because I couldn't find the number 356 in the Fit Me powder, so I just got 362, which is the next one up or next shade down. So we're gonna see. I think that it should be fine though. I still kind of got my summer tan, so they have a mirror in there. I didn't know that. And a little pad thing. Okay. I got a beauty blender, so I'm just gonna do a little bit because I still don't really fully know what I'm doing just yet. So yeah, I should have probably tied my hair back before I did this. This is the closest to my shade I could find. I hope y'all can kind of see that. I really should have tied my hair back, but it's okay, it's cool. What y'all think? Did I do okay with the shade match? I think it looks good enough. It doesn't look crazy. I think I should use a little bit more of this. Can't really tell the difference, to be honest. I mean, I guess a little bit. But I wasn't grown up in mine. But I wasn't grown up in mine. Okay, now that I have the foundation on, I got this concealer. You guys, it looks so light. It looks way too light for me, but it's all I had. This one is in caramel. It was a lot lighter than what I wanted, but you know, it's all they had, so I got it. This is also by Maybelline. I'm gonna have all these products listed down below so that you can kind of get a better view of what I'm talking about. Y'all don't know where to put it. Down here too. But I wasn't grown up in mine. But I wasn't grown up in mine. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the powder. Like I was saying, this one is not the same shade as the foundation that I used, but it was the closest one that I could find, so you know, we're just gonna have to go with it. And for the brush, I'm just gonna use this brush that I got from Walmart. This one is by Eco Tools. I really wanted to get, I forgot the name of it. I'm not even gonna mention it. I ended up getting the Eco Tools brush. I have the whole set, including like the mascara, not the mascara, including the eyeshadow set. So I'm just gonna use this one. This feels so good. I wasn't wrong up in mine, but I wasn't wrong up in mine. Now I'm gonna put on some eyeshadow, just a little bit, you know. Y'all, I cannot find the rest of my makeup brushes, like the eyeshadow brushes, so if I'm using the wrong brush, then you know why. Partly because I don't know what I'm doing anyway, and then partly because I have misplaced a lot of these brushes, so I don't know where the eyeshadow brushes are. The color that I'm using is in this Naked by Urban Decay. This is like an older palette. I'm using the color Buck, which is just right here. It's just a brown shade. Just because, you know, you really can't go wrong with brown and neutral eyeshadow looks, especially if you are a beginner like me. Now I'm going to go in and use this shade right here. Well, it's called Half Baked. Too much, so I'm trying to like blend it out a little bit. I was doing so well. Okay, I just used the color Smog, which is this one right here. I think I'm gonna stop now. Now I'm gonna go to my favorite thing, which is lipstick. I love lipstick, y'all. Sometimes, like if I wanna do more than the bare minimum, then I'll put on some lipstick and mascara, and that's usually all I go for. But as y'all can tell, I've been trying to upgrade lately. I don't know if you can tell, but I have. Buying this makeup was an upgrade for me. Alright, so for my lipstick, I really wanted to use a bright color, but I realized that it's not even the season for that anymore. It's fall time. So I'm gonna use this bright pink that is from Knick Knack, New York. I'm going to mix a brown with it. But first, I feel like I should probably... Wait, where's my mascara? This one is MAC Studio Volumizing Mascara. This mascara isn't just trash garbage, but I would not necessarily recommend it. I don't really like the applicator, and I don't like the consistency of it for some reason. I don't know, could just be me, because y'all know I am kind of weird like that, so it definitely could just be me. But this is what the applicator looks like. And now I'm going to put on this NYX Professional Matte Finish Long Lasting Spray. This stuff doesn't smell the best. Now we're just going to move on to the lipstick that I'm going to wear. This one is by Wet n Wild. This is my favorite brand of matte lipstick. Plus it's hypoallergenic, which means I'm not going to break out from it, because y'all know my skin is very sensitive, and it's cruelty free.
How do I feel about being a member of the Information Society? That's a difficult question because I didn't know we were in the Information Society.
Brown to tone it down a little bit. I feel like the lip is cute. The lip is cute itself. I would do this again, but I just don't know about this sparkly gold eyeshadow with the pink lip. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so moving on to my hair, I wanted to share with you guys that Green Thoughts here on YouTube, she has sister locks. She has started an Etsy shop called Regal Locks. I'll have her link down below to her channel and also her Etsy shop. So, as you can see here, I got a few little lock jewelry pieces in here. I love these because they're so dainty. You can actually keep these in while retightening. If you're going to be wearing them all the time, I would suggest that you guys get a color would be able to go with everything. Like for me, I mainly wear gold jewelry, so I got these gold detailed pieces in my hair. You can keep these in while you're washing, while you're retightening. These are some really good quality lock jewels, and I want to show y'all how I was able to put these in my hair because I was struggling a little bit at first, but I think that's because the crochet hook that I was using is way too big for me to use. So I was kind of all over the place, like, how am I going to get these in my head? This is the crochet hook that I started to try to use. So this is just your typical crochet hook. It's the normal size. It's not really big, it's not really small, but my locks are really small, so this was just not working for me for some reason. So I ended up going to Walmart and I got, do not laugh, I got this crochet hook. Hold on, I have a lock jewel in here. I'm going to take it off real quick so y'all can see what I'm talking about. I was looking for something that's going to be smaller, but this one ended up not really working as well. This one is like $1 at Walmart, and I want to show y'all a little bootleg way to put these jewels in your head. So I got this, and this thing here is not a crochet needle. It is just a little, I think it's for people who knit. This is like smaller than what I could even show you. The little latch is super tiny. So I use this, got my little lock jewel, and I just put this on to that like this. I'll leave a link down below to Day, aka Green Thoughts' video on how she installed these. Can't really get it the way that I'm showing y'all. You can watch her video to see how she did it. I grabbed a lock and then I put it on this little hook thing and I wrapped it around once, twice, and then I just pulled the jewelry through it. But I just pulled it through like this. You can see the jewelry hanging right here, and this is the shaft of my lock, and I'm just gonna pull the jewelry through, and you see how it's hooked on there. And I didn't like crochet it in because I couldn't really do that for some reason, so I just did it like that. So the exact collection that I ordered is called the She Protects Her Energy collection. I really liked the name of it, and also, like I said, I wear a lot of gold jewelry and stuff, so I felt like this would go with a lot of the stuff that I already have. And then there's a poem in here. It says, get you a friend who loves to see you grow, who's inspired by your glow, one who would never let you sell yourself short or for the low. This set encourages you to choose the people you decide to spend your time and energy with wisely. In excitement of an opportunity to connect, we sometimes overlook the intentions of others. Sometimes we have to say no to ourselves right now for a now that's more like it later. Don't worry, you're well worth the wait. By the time they realize your worth, you'll be worth way more. Crowns up, queen. Need I say more? If y'all want to shop the Regal Locks jewelry collection, I will have that link down below. I hope that y'all enjoyed me kind of trying to, you know, step into the beauty world a little bit. Like, I actually went out and bought foundation. I never do that. I never try to go all out. I'm not really in love with the eyeshadow, but I think that it'll get better with due time. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I have all of my socials listed in the description box, so you guys can check that out if you would like. I'll talk to y'all in my next video, and I'm out.
If you're doing what everyone else is doing, you're doing it wrong. One of the best to ever do it.